Hello friends, today we will talk about 5 ways hair oil benefits. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Gyan Matra. How hair oil benefits you in many ways other than faster hair growth. Coconut hair oil. Anti-dandruff treatment. Antibacterial in nature, protects against infections. Prevents split ends. Increases shine. Stops hair breakage. Arnica hair oil. Reduces hair fall. Provides nourishment. Stimulates hair follicles. Possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces growth of split ends. Reduces hair fall. Provides nourishment. Stimulates hair follicles. Possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces growth of split ends. Sesame hair oil. Avoid baldness. Relieves headaches. Prevents hair graying. Controls hair fall. Amla hair oil. Reduces hair fall. Relieves one-sided headaches. Induces proper sleep. Helps in growth of hair. Strengthens hair. Jaborandi hair oil. Best oil for hair fall problem and regrowth. Prevents baldness. Treats dandruff complaints. Prevents hair fall caused by any reason. Stimulates better hair growth. Provides strength and increase hair density.